You ever just sit there staring at a chart, not sure whether to get in or not? That hesitation. Is it going up? Is it going down? You're just waiting for something to make the decision for you. I've been there a lot. And most of the time, when I entered on gut feeling alone, it didn't end well. Hey everyone, Meena here. Welcome back. What you're seeing on screen right now is my actual session today. No result editing, no convenient cuts. And right there, next to the chart, is Arrow IQ, running alongside everything in real time. The flow is simple. I take a screenshot of the chart, send it to the tool, and it analyzes the structure: price action, candle patterns, trend, momentum. All of that comes back as a structured output in seconds. Call or put, confluence score, entry window, suggested expiry. I read it, I decide. Nothing automated here. The decision is mine. The tool just gives me clarity before I press the button. You're going to watch that happen throughout this video. Every time I send a chart, you'll see Arrow IQ return the analysis right there on the side. And then you'll see me decide. Enter, skip, wait. Today, 3 setups showed up that actually made sense. High score on all 3, structure confirmed. I entered all 3. All 3 closed in my favor. But I want to be straight with you. I'm not showing this to make it look easy or like it always goes this way. Trading doesn't work like that. There are bad days. Days where the market gives you nothing worth taking. Days where I just close the laptop and walk away. What I'm showing is the process. Because when the process is solid, the good days come more often. And the bad days hurt less. If you want to follow along more closely, analysis, behind the scenes, day to day, I'm on Telegram. Links in the description. Now go watch. The market's on screen.